Lecture on Number System for Class 11th, Computer Science CBSE by ACE. Number systems. Every number has some system for its representation called number system. Four types of number systems are binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. All number systems have some specific characteristics like base or radix, digits which can be used with it, weightage value of a digit itself, positional value of a digit in a number. Here is a table giving the characteristics of four number systems. Binary has base 2 and it uses two digits 0 and 1. Octal has base 8 and it uses 8 digits 0 to 7. Decimal has base 10 and it uses 10 digits 0 to 9. Hexadecimal number system has base 16 and it uses 16 digits and they are 0 to 9 10 numbers and A to F 6. Altogether they are 16. You may be wondering why A, B, C and others are used here as numbers, because after 9 comes 10 and 10 is represented by A and F represents 15 the same way. Every number system follows the rule of a number line. Weightage of a digit in a number increases from right to left. This you can see in the given pictures for different number systems. Every system has least significant bit towards right hand side and most significant bit towards left hand side. It means the value of a digit in a number increases from right to left. How numbers are represented by different number systems. Binary number, it is a number which has a combination of 0 and 1 with the base 2. For example, if I write 1001011 base 2, so this is the binary number. Octal number, a number which has a combination of 8 digits from 0 to 7 with the base 8. For example, here 32075 base 8. Decimal number, a number which is a combination of 10 digits from 0 to 9 with the base 10. Example 32075 base 10. Hexadecimal number, a number which has a combination of 16 digits from 0 to 9 and A to F with base 16. Example A to F C7 base 16. The different combinations which are written here are not fixed. You can have any combination of digits here. A number represented in one number system can be converted into its equivalent in any other number system. Example, binary number can be converted into equivalent decimal number or octal number or hexadecimal number and vice versa. To convert a number in one system to the other, we have to follow certain rules. For example, to convert binary number to decimal number, the rules are: number 1, start at the rightmost bit. Number 2, take that bit and multiply by 2 raised to power n, where n is the current position beginning at 0 and increasing by 1 each time. This represents the power of 2. Sum each term of product until all bits have been used. Example, convert the binary number 1101 base 2 into decimal equivalent. Seeing the position of 0 is 1 in binary number, we get the equation 1 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 0. This is equivalent to 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. And if we add all these, we are getting 13. So the decimal number is 13 base 10. Example, converting fractional binary number into decimal number. Here is the example. If the binary number is 11011.101 base 2, considering the position, the value of each digit in binary is as follows: 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 0. It is coming towards left of decimal, and if we go after decimal, the values coming are 2 raised to power minus 1, 2 raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power minus 3. If we write the equation calculating these values, we are getting 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1, because we are going after the decimal now, plus 0 into 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 3. Calculating the equivalent of these values, we are getting 27.625, and if we put base 10, so this is the decimal equivalent of the given binary number. Conversion of decimal number to binary number. There are two methods for doing so. One, by dividing by 2 and using the table of 2 in terms of 2 raised to the power n. Another method, by recording value of 2 raised to the power n, a number which is less than the given number. Using the first method, divide the decimal number by 2, take the remainder and record it, divide the quotient from previous step by 2, repeat until the quotient in step 3 is divisible by further. Next, record the remainders in reverse order to get the resultant binary number. Here is the example. Convert 53 base 10 to binary number. When we divide 53 by 2, the quotient comes 26 and remainder is 1. Then the quotient 26 divided by 2, then it comes 13 and remainder is 0. When 13 is divided by 2, the quotient comes 6 and remainder is 1. 6 divided by 2, the quotient is 3 and remainder is 0. 3 divided by 2, the quotient is 1 and remainder is 1. 1 cannot be divided further, so 1 is written as such. Now we write the recorded remainders in reverse order, and the number we are getting 110101 base 2. Another method to convert decimal to binary. Find 2 raised to the power n number just less than the given number. Subtract equivalent of 2 raised to the power n from the given number. Record the value of 2 raised to the power n. Consider the balance from step 2 as the given number and repeat step 1 to 4 until the balance becomes 0 or 1. Add all binary values so far calculated as 2 raised to the power n. Example, convert 53 base 10 to binary number. Find the number less than 53, which can be written in the form of 2 raised to the power n. And that number can be, we can find out 2 raised to the power 5 is 32 and 2 raised to the power 6 is 64. So 35 is the number we are looking for. So 35 is less than 53, so we consider 2 raised to the power 5. And binary equivalent of 2 raised to the power 5 is 1 followed by 5 zeros. Subtract 32 from step 1 from 53 and the remainder comes 21. Repeat the process till 0 or 1 is the remainder. Find 2 raised to the power n number just less than 21. as done in step 1, it is 2 raised to the power 4, and that is 16. And equivalent of 2 raised to the power 4 is 1 followed by 4 zeros. Subtract 16 from 21 and the remainder comes 5. Number which is less than 5 and can be written in 2 raised to the power n, that is 2 raised to the power 2, which is equal to 4, and it is less than 5. Subtract 4 from 5, we are getting remainder 1, and equivalent of 2 raised to the power 2 is 1 followed by 2 0, and that is 1 0 0. 1 is less than 2, binary equivalent of 1 is 1. Adding all binary values from step 1, 4, 6 and 7, we are getting 1 1 0 1 0 1 base 2, and that is the conversion. Conversion of fractional decimal number to binary. Multiply given fraction by 2. Record the number before decimal if any. Multiply the new fraction in previous step by 2. Continue the process till the required number of decimal places or till the 0 comes in the fractional part. Write all the recorded number one after the other from top to bottom. Example: convert 5.75 base 10 to binary. Binary equivalent of digital number 5 is 101 base 2. So we leave that apart and we consider only 0.75. So the fractional part, that is 0.75, we multiply it by 2 and that comes as 1.50. So 1 is recorded because 1 is before 0, it is recorded separately. 50 is the decimal part of it. We multiply again by 2 and it comes 1. 1.00. So 1 which is before decimal, and after decimal we are getting 0 and we drop all these things. And finally we get 0.11 as binary number. Required answer will be 101 plus 0.11, and altogether it is 101.11. So it is the binary number. Conversion of a decimal number into its octal equivalent. We follow certain rules again. Number 1, divide the decimal number by 8. Number 2, write the remainder separately. Number 3, divide the quotient by 8. Number 4, repeat steps till the quotient is not further divisible. Number 5, record the sequence of remainders in reverse order to get the resultant octal number. Here is the example. Convert the decimal number 125 into octal. 125 is divided by 8. The quotient comes 15 and remainder 5. The quotient 15 is divided by 8. The quotient comes 1 and remainder 7. The quotient 1 cannot be divided further, so it is taken as a remainder. So the octal equivalent of this decimal number is 175 base 8. How we can convert a decimal fractional value into octal fractional value? This can be discussed with one example, and example is convert 0.15625 base 10 into octal. Multiply the given fraction by 8. Means when we multiply 0.15625 by 8, we are getting 1.25000. So 1 is coming before decimal, so it is recorded separately, and the fractional part remain is 25000. Multiply the new fraction by 8 means 0.25000 multiplied by 8 comes to be 2.25000. 0 repeated 5 times. Record the digit before decimal in the product, that is 2. Now the fractional part is 0, we leave it as such. So the answer for this one is 0.15625 base 10 is equal to 0.12 base 8. So the octal equivalent of the given decimal number is 0.12 base 8. For converting fractional component of a decimal number, the recorded values are written from top to the bottom and not the other way. Conversion of octal to decimal number. There are steps to be followed. Number 1, start at the rightmost bit. Number 2, take that bit and multiply it by 8 raised to the power n, where n is the current position of the digit. Increase the value of n by 1 each time from right to left. At the end, add all the values in the previous steps to get the final decimal number. Example, convert the octal number 321 base 8 to its decimal equivalent. Keeping in mind the position of 3, 2 and 1, we get the equation 3 into 8 raised to the power 2 plus 2 into 8 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into 8 raised to the power 0. Calculating the values, respective values, we are getting 192 plus 16 plus 1. Adding all these, we are getting 209 base 10. So this is how octal number is converted to its equivalent decimal number. How to convert octal fractional value to decimal value? To explain this one, the example coded is convert 23.25 base 8 to decimal. Considering the position of different digits given an octal number, we get the equation 2 into 8 raised to the power 1 plus 3 into 10 power 0 plus 2 into 8 to the power minus 1 plus 5 into 8 raised to the power minus 2. Calculating all these values and summing afterwards, we are getting 19.32812 base 10. Decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Rules followed. Divide the decimal number by 16. Take the remainder and record it separately. Repeat step 1 and 2 till the quotient number cannot be divided further. Record the remainders in reverse order to get the equivalent hexadecimal number. Example, convert decimal number 300 into its hexadecimal equivalent. 300 divided by 16, the quotient is 18 and remainder is 12. 12 is recorded separately in a hexadecimal number. 12 is equivalent to C. The quotient 18 is divided by 16, the quotient comes 1 and remainder is 2. 1 cannot be divided further, so it is recorded as such as a remainder. Considering the reverse order of the remainders value, we are getting the hexadecimal value 12C base 16. Now we are going to see how we can convert decimal fractional value into hexadecimal. The same way, we have to follow certain rules. Multiply the given fraction by 16 and record the value before decimal. Multiply the new fraction, means the decimal part of the previous step, and multiply it by 16. Repeat step 1 and 2 till no digit in the fraction is left or required precision is achieved. Finally, write all the values in step 1 from top to the bottom or left to right. Example, convert 0.9375 base 10 into hexadecimal. So we multiply 0.9375 by 16, we get 12.1875. So 12 is coming before 0 and it is recorded separately. Beside that, 12 in hexadecimal numbers is equal to C. The balance or the remainder part of it is 0.1875. Again it is multiplied by 16, we are getting 3.0000. So 3 is the number coming before decimal, so it is recorded, and 0 is left as remainder, we leave it as such. Considering the recorded value from top to the bottom, we are getting C3. So our answer will be 0.C3 base 16. Hexadecimal number to decimal conversion. Start at the rightmost bit, take that bit and multiply by 16 to the power n, where n is the current position of the digit, beginning at 0. We increase the value of n by 1 each time from right to left. Sum each term of product until all bits have been used to get the desired decimal number. Example, convert the hexadecimal number DAD base 16 to its decimal equivalent. We know in hexadecimal numbers A is equivalent to 10 and D is equal to 13. Writing the expanded form of DAD base 16, we get D into 16 to the power 2 plus A into 16 raised to the power 1 plus D into 16 to the power 0. After substituting the values of A and D, we are getting 13 into 256 plus 10 into 16 plus 13 into 1. Summing all these values, we are getting 4269, and this is our decimal number. Now let us see how we can convert hexadecimal fraction to decimal fraction. Example, convert 1e decimal 8c base 16 to decimal. We know in hexadecimal number e is equivalent to 14 and c is equal to 12. Writing the expanded form of the given hexadecimal number, we are getting 1 into 16 to the power 1 plus 14 into 16 to the power 0 plus 8 into 16 to the power minus 1 plus 12 into 16 to the power minus 2. Summing all these values, we are getting 30.546875 base 10. So this is our required decimal number. Binary number to hexadecimal conversion. Write binary equivalent of each digit and write all binary digits together. Make groups of 4 binary digits, each from right to left. Convert each group of 4 binary bits into equivalent hexadecimal digit. Zeros are added at the left side of binary digits chain to make groups of 4 bits each. Example, convert the binary number 1100101 into its hexadecimal equivalent. This binary number can be written as 01100101. Note there is a need to insert a 0 to the left of 110. After conversion, hexadecimal equivalent of 011 and 0101 are 6 and 5. Putting 6 and 5 together, we are getting 65 base 16 as the hexadecimal number. In case of a fractional binary number, form groups of 4 bits on each side of decimal points. Then replace each group by its corresponding hexadecimal number. Zeros are added at the right of decimal fraction to make group of 4 binary bits. Example, convert 1100.1010 binary number to hexadecimal equivalent. Making group of 4, we are getting 1CA. Putting these things together, we are getting 1C.A base 16, the hexadecimal number of fractional binary number. Hexadecimal number to binary conversion. Convert each digit of hexadecimal number into its binary equivalent. Write them in group of 4 bits each. Write all 4 bit groups one after the other to get binary equivalent. Example, convert hexadecimal number 10AF base 16 to binary equivalent. We know hexadecimal number F is equal to 15, A is equal 10, C equal 12 and E equal 14. For the conversion, 1 is written as 0001 and 0 is written in group of 4 zeros. A is 1010 and F is 1111. Putting all these digits together, we are getting a binary number. Another example to make you understand how it can be done. Example, convert hexadecimal number FACE base 16 to its binary equivalent. F has the representation in binary 1111. A is 1010 and C is 1100. E is 1110. So, putting these together, we are getting a corresponding binary number. Conversion, binary to octal and octal to binary. To convert binary to octal number, make groups of 3 binary bits, each from right to left, and represent each group as one octal digit. To convert from octal to binary, represents each octal digit in 3 bits binary. Example, convert binary number 1011000001 to its octal equivalent. Convert each group of 3 bits into octal digit, as 101 is 5, 100 is 4, 001 is 1. Putting these numbers together, we are getting 541 base 8 as octal number. For conversion from octal to binary, there is another example. Convert the octal number 541 base 8 to its binary equivalent. The individual octal digits are 5, 4, 1. Converting each digit into equivalent binary, 5 is 101, 4 is 100 and 1 is 001. Putting all these binary digits grouped together, we are getting a binary number. This is how octal number can be converted into binary number. Hexadecimal to octal number conversion. To convert hexadecimal to octal, convert each digit of hexadecimal number to its binary equivalent and write them in group of 4 bits each, one after the other. In chain of binary digits from right to left, make groups of 3 bits each. Convert each 3-bit group into its octal equivalent. For example, convert the hexadecimal number C45 base 16 to its octal equivalent. Each hexadecimal digit separately, C is equal to 1100, 4 is equal to 0100, 5 is equal to 0101. Putting all these binary digits together, we are getting a chain of these. Then we make group of 3 bits each from right to left, and then we get 101, which is equal to 5, 000 equal to 0, 001 is equal to 1, and 110 is equal to 6. If we put all these numbers together, we get octal number, which is 6105 base 8. Octal to hexadecimal number conversion: convert each digit of octal number to its binary equivalent. From right to left, make groups of 4 bits binary numbers to get hexadecimal number. For example, convert the octal number 762 base 8 to its hexadecimal equivalent. Writing 762 separately, we are getting 7 as equal to 111, 6 as equal to 110, and 2 as equal to 010. Now we put all these binary digits together, and then out of these we make group of 4 each, and finally we are getting from right to left 0010 equal to 2, 1111 equal to 15, 0001 equal to 1. Now putting all these digits together, we are getting a hexadecimal number 1F2. Feel free to ask questions through comments. We shall reply to all your queries.